Hi, I'm Omar with OJB Construction. I'm here to talk about the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This is the box for it. Okay, so this is the Nest thermostat. Right now it is off. I'll talk about the four settings. Just click right here. To handle the thermostat, you kind of rotate this. You turn it, and right now, if you want to choose heat, you click it, and then right now it is 67 degrees inside the room. If you want it warmer, 75 is the temperature you want to set it at, or anything in between. I'll leave it at 74. So right now we left it on heat. It is on heat right now, the check mark. Okay. Before we turn it to cooling, we want to turn off the heat. Okay. And then right now it's off, right? But it takes a while before it stops the fan. And then once it does that, we can now go to cooling. Fan turned off, everything is completely off. Okay, right now at this moment, now we can go from off, go back to mode, and we can pick cool. And then right now the room is at 67, but we want it at 61. This is for the summertime, definitely, because right now it's kind of cold outside. So just for an example, we'll leave it at 62. And there's a small delay, so it'll start everything once the delay is over, and it's about 40 seconds. So we'll just click it, click the face in, and right now just give it a moment, and it'll start up again. Oops. Okay, so right now it was left on cooling at 62. Right, it's 68 in the room. It was set to 62, so we want to get out to get to the other mode. So click in and you go to off, and you click it and turn it off before you go to any other mode. So right now we're gonna turn it off again. Yeah, this is okay. So right now everything is off again, completely off. So we're gonna do another mode, which is, so we click, it's called heat cool. So how this one works is, let's say, okay, so on heat, it is set to 71. So the room temperature is 68 right now. Okay, so you just it's like a dual thing. 68, you want it to heat to 72. Okay, you just click it, you leave it alone, and then you go to cool. So let's say in the room it's at 67, it's gonna cool down to 75. So it's like a dual thing, kind of just have both of them, you can see it at the same time, and it'll just keep it within a range right here. Like I said, the heat is already on right now because the room's at 68, and you want it to heat up to 72. And if the room gets hotter than 75, it'll drop to that set temperature. So if I want to go down lower to 73, it'll drop to 73. Okay, just kind of click it and you leave it alone, and it's already set for what you wanted. Okay, so on these air conditioning systems and heating, it's recommended to change out the filter every 3 to 4 months. Definitely if it's been used a lot, or you can take a look at your filter, and it'll help improve how the system runs, and keeps your air clean. Definitely, we recommend doing that every 3 to 4 months. The filter is located here. This is called the return vent, and the way to replace it is there's two kind of screw things that look like a screw, and you turn them and it'll open, and then you can just grab the filter and just remove it. It's easy to just take it out and just replace it, and then you put it back and you turn them again so that this vent is secured again, because if you don't make sure it's secured, and you should be good to go.